Hey guys, today we're going to be removing these factory mud flaps because every time I try to go over a rock, it just hits them, and they're not soft, they're pretty hard, so it makes a pretty bad noise when it rubs. So I'm just gonna get rid of them and hopefully gonna remove this as well too, because it's a lot of plastic that's just in the way. Alright, in order to remove your mud flaps on your Tacoma, you're just gonna need to remove a few 10mm bolts, but you could also use just a Phillips head to take them out. There's two here, and then back there's one more. That should be it. Alright, real quick, there's 1, 2, 3 back here, and then there's a fourth one right up in here. You can't really tell, but there you go. Make sure you take that one off, because I didn't see it. I was trying to pull on it and it just wouldn't come off. So let's take that one out real quick. There you go. It's really dirty in here, but look how much better that looks. Alright, I have to go to the other side. Alright, so same idea. You got 1, 2, 3. Another one back here. Right there. Right. And then a fifth one on the outside. Right there. So you get all 5 of those, and then it'll take it off. There's that view without the mud flap on. And here's this view with the mud flap on. Yep, time to take it off. All right, so I finished removing everything, but I'm gonna keep the bolts in here. Just 1, so I don't lose them, and 2, so they don't get full of dirt, because there's already some extra ones that hold the fender in, which I'm pretty sure these also do. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep them in on all 4 sides. All right, so the mud flaps are off. Honestly, looks so much better. Oh yeah. Up next, this thing. A few bolts holding it in from the inside, and then a few holding it from the outside. So we're just gonna go around it and see how much we can take off. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like on the front. We're gonna start taking those off right now, see where it gets us. All right, so 1, 2 that were on the inside, right? And then there were 7. And then it kind of just pops out. It's super easy. It's just held in with these things once you unscrew them. 1, 2 on the inside. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the outside, and then 2 more on the inside. So 11 total. Comes out really easily. Yeah, you can see a little more, but it looks so much better now. So much better. Yep, and like always, we're gonna put these back in, just so we have them for later. All right, boys, the mud flaps are off. All right, thank you guys for watching. Super short, super quick tutorial video. Stick by for some more. Thank you guys. Peace.